National Museum at Marikina City. Let's check. Now we're going to find here. Let's go. Susunod mo pangalan mo. Iwan kita. This one? Oh, yeah. Thank you. You have a long time na lang. This is the... Okay. This is beautiful.
Welcome to Marikina Shoe Museum. Bago po tayo mag-ikot, meron lang po tayo yung reminders. Bawal po mag-take ng photos and video, pero pwede po tayo mag-take ng photos dito lang po sa beach shoe, sa paintings po, sa history boards, sa mga tools and also po sa television shoes. And then, pwede po tayo mag-take po sa may portrait po na Imelda Marcos.
Okay, okay. National shoes from other countries. Yeah. Imelda Marcos, and this is all their shoes here. Yan. 385, sabi niya. 385.
381.
381.
Dating 800 plus.
381 na collection ang kanyang mga sapatos. Ayan. Iyan naman ko ito. I-kunyari.
Lakasan mo.
This is all the shoes here on the Imelda Marcos Marikina. 381 shoes. So I'll give you the go. This is the old telephone shoes. Dial 911. Call me. Sapatos na nililitigyan na nato at nakita ang mga politician sa kung magtuloy mo kayo dito biglang kita sama kasi yung brother picture tayo dalawa. Sapatos na nililitigyan na nato at nakita ang mga politician sa kung magtuloy mo kayo dito biglang kita sama kasi yung brother picture tayo dalawa.
Okay.
And this is the gown of Imelda Marcos. And this is the barong and shoes and pants of President Marcos. And this is all the...
You need to speak louder.
And this is all the Marikina made shoes, the oldest shoes here in Marikina. Yeah. because the different kinds of style. See that? This is the boat shoe, and this is like dragon shoes. Conquista shoes. Yeah, Conquista shoes. Fashion shoes. Very unique and beautiful. Thank you. Kung meron din pala car shoes.
Yung patok, yun yung mga jeep na mabibilis magpatakbo. Noong unang panahon, pero ewan ko kung meron pa ngayon.
Galing, no? Kaibig yung mga tao. Ito naman. Nakikita ko din sa US. Pero yan, hindi ko. Shoot. Hard shoot. Hard shoot. Yun pala siya gumagawa. This is the oldest sewing machine, 1958. Donated by Fernando Bidia. Yeah. Super legit. Singer, sewing machine, year 1958. Ito yung mga ginagamit ng unang kasalungan. Yan, yung mga shoe tags. So we're going upstairs. Marikina City.
Marikina City. One of the cleanest city in the Philippines. We are now heading to the Shoe Museum. Just hope it's open. Illustrate. That's the only teatro that we have here, the Teatro Marikina. Pagka may mga stage play, siya nagpupunta. Yan. Nasa kanan. Yan ang Teatro Marikina.
Dito tayo papasok.
Hindi.
Akala ko dito papasok.
Nakita ko lang sa'yo. Teatro Marikina. Kasi Marikina is a small, small city. Ginawa natin ang munisipyo. Ngayon dito sa kanila. Yung Shoe Museum. Malinis, oh.
Traditional shoes from other countries. Yeah.